A very good morning, students. As we are doing the chapter subtraction, which we take as minus and the subtraction sign is this one. Let's do the sums. I have written the numbers vertically. Vertically, you understand? We have written the numbers in the block this ways. So you need to do this ways. And how will we do sums related to subtraction? Today we will learn about that. It's very easy, very simple. Let's start with the first sum. I have written places, tens and ones, and here I have written two numbers 8 and 5. So students, how will we do this? As the first number is 8, we will be writing 8 vertical lines for this. How many vertical lines? 8. 3, 3, 6, 7 and 8. I have drawn here 8 vertical lines, and as the number 5 is to be subtracted, so as I told you earlier also, we will put cross over those 5 lines. Because our number is 5, so we will put a cross over that 5 lines. So how many lines are left now? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. How many lines are there? 3. So my answer will be 3 in this case. So how we are doing it, students? Let me explain you one more time. The number which is written at the top, we will draw the vertical lines, that much vertical lines according to that number. And then which is written afterwards, we will put a cross over those lines and we will count the remaining vertical lines left after crossing them. So this is the way of doing subtraction sum. Let's do the next one. Here I have written 7 and 6. So how many lines I'm going to draw here is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. How many lines? 7. And how many lines I will cross now? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many lines I have crossed now? 6. So can you see here how many vertical lines are left? How many vertical lines are left here? 1. So my answer would be 1 in this case. My answer would be 1 in this case. Let's do the next one. Here I have written 9 minus 3. Oops, I do have very less space. So I will be drawing lines this time here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have drawn 9 vertical lines here. And how many lines will I cross? 3. So let's cross those lines. 1, 2 and 3. I have put cross on 3 lines. Now what I am going to do is I will count the lines which are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many lines I am left with? 6. So this is the way as I am doing. You need to do the same ways. Let's do the next one. I have written 5 here on the top. So how many lines I'm going to draw? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And below also it's 5. So I will cross 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have crossed all the lines. So there is nothing left, and nothing means 0 in maths. So nothing is 0. My answer would be 0 here. 5 minus 5 will give me 0. Let's do the next one. The number which I have written on the top is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many vertical lines we have drawn this time? It's 4. And the number which is written at the bottom is 0. So will we put any cross on any vertical line? No. We will not put any cross. So what we are going to do? We will just count all the lines which are left. So how many lines do we have? They are same because we have not crossed any line. So it will be 4 only. So as we discussed in the previous video also, that means when we are subtracting 0 from a number, our answer remains the same number. Our answer remains the same number. So this is my answer. 4 minus 0 will give me 4 only. Let's do the next one. Here I have written the number 3 at the top. So I will draw 3 vertical lines for it. And how many will I cross? It's 1. So I will cross 1 line. Now how many lines are left? Let's count. 1 and 2. How many lines left? 2. So my answer will be 2. My answer will be 2. Students, it's always fun to learn something in an exciting and interesting way as well as in new ways also. So these are the ways which I am telling you that we are drawing the vertical lines and subtracting the numbers. But let me tell you one more method. Suppose I need to subtract 1 from 3. What I need to do, I will start counting from 1 and move towards 3 and will put the fingers up. 2, 3. I am excluding 1. I am not including 1. I am excluding it. So I will start my counting after 1. What comes after 1? 2. For 2 I am putting 1 finger up. After 2 what comes? 3. How many fingers I have put till now? 2. And I have reached on the number 3. So my answer is 2 because I do have 2 fingers up here. So this is also one of the way of doing subtraction questions. What you need to do is you will put your fingers up. And from where do you need to start? Suppose I need to start from 5 and I need to go till 5. But 5 is the only number. We cannot move further. So there is no forward counting. We will directly write 0. Let's learn about this also. If I need to subtract 5 from 8, I am gonna start my counting from 5 onwards. 6. For next number I am putting 1 finger up. 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. And look, 8 is the number here. So I have reached 8. And how many fingers I have put till now? 3. So my answer is 3. Let's learn one more. If I need to reach from 6 to 7, I need to start my counting from 6 to 7. So what comes after 6? 7. And for that one, I have put only 1 finger up. So my answer is 7. Let's learn about the last one. I need to start from 3 this time. And where will I reach? Till 9. Let's start counting. We will start after 3 and we will stop till we reach 9. 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And one more finger I need to up. These are 5 fingers and after one more time I will put my finger up. So how many fingers in total? 6 fingers. How many fingers? 6 fingers. So you can try both of the methods. Which one you like to prefer, you can do. Using these vertical lines will be easier for you, but you should also know about the second method, that we are putting our fingers up and counting forward. Hope you are clear with subtraction sums. Do 5 sums in your notebook now.